creating awesome! Step 1. Draw a square. Step 2. Add a bread slice shape. So the top is a little curved and the bottom is just, well, the rest of the square. Step 3. Give the slice some depth. Step 4. Draw 2 little arms. Step 5. Draw a face. Step 6. Draw an egg blanket. This can basically have any shape. Step 7. Draw the yolk and give it a little smile. Now, step 8. Ink the lines. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Ta-da! All done. You did it! You made a super cute sleepy toast friend. Now, you can also don't do a blanket and do a BLT or any other type of sandwich. Just have fun with it. See you next time. Bye bye.